Hi, I'm Todd Saunders, owner of the Saunders Company. We're a heavy excavating contractor here in the Willamette Valley. And today we're here to show you the -1 trench shield.
As excavating contractors, we're always looking for ways to save money, which either increases our competitiveness or improves our bottom line. Because we're digging trenches and laying pipe as fast as possible, material cost becomes the only variable we can economize on. The -1 trench shield allows narrower trenches to be dug without reducing the working area of the pipe layer. Narrower trenches save substantial dollars by reducing backfill quantities, excavation, haul away, dump fees, and asphalt restoration. As you know, standard trench boxes have walls that are 4 inches thick. The -1 trench shield, which was engineered to comply with OSHA standards, has a wall that's a 1/2 inch thick. If you're using a trench box with 4-inch thick walls, your trench is over 6 inches wider than it needs to be. When you do the math, 6 inches of additional rock backfill, excavation, haul away, dump fees, and AC restoration add up to substantial and unnecessary costs. The -1 trench shield will increase your company's competitiveness and pay for itself through truly significant savings. When we engineered the box, we knew we were going to have a center spreader bar. The key was, how could we position that spreader bar in such a place that it wouldn't interfere with the productivity of our pipe layer? The video you're watching today is a project where we're 12 feet deep, putting in 12-inch pipe, and as you can see, our pipe layer has no problem handling the pipe, grading the trench, or moving from one end of the box to the other. My company has been using this box now for 6 months, and we've seen absolutely no loss in productivity. But what we've gained is an absolute competitive edge. Now, when we designed the box, we tapered the front end. This was to eliminate sidewall shaving. Now, if you're used to using a standard trench box, you know that when you pull the box, the rock has a tendency to fall away from the pipe. We all know how important it is to keep the bedding stabilized around the pipe when we're pulling the box. Notice, on the -1 trench shield, no rock is moving away from the pipes. Now, do you want to know what I'm hearing here? This is the sound of money. Now, you can either put it in the ditch or put it in your pocket.